afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited. We happen to have a little Corvette engine here on the dyno. This is one of our 383s. Again, built just the way I want it. Made it look just the way the customer wants it. He wanted it red, I painted it red. We got for the Corvettes, we got a tack drive distributor in this from MSD. All the springs and weights like we do, we always change. This is running a Holly 750. Just got done making about 467 horsepower, 499 foot-pounds of torque. Mean little motor. Guy's gonna love it going into a 63 Corvette. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. How's that for fired up? Air fuels are beautiful. Oil pressure is gorgeous. Now we'll make a roll.